Good morning, students. Now HS2ndyr Commerce CMST class, and we are at the question number 8. 8 this 8 solve by Cramer's rule. So next one we are going to do question number. I want to do question number 2. 8 2. It is they have said thrice x plus 4y is equal to 3. Twice x plus minus y plus 2 is equal to 0. So I can write this one as minus 2. Yes, then Cramer's rule said what? That x divided by a determinant 3 minus 2, 4 minus 1. Y divided by 3, 2 and 3 minus 2 and 1 divided by 3, 4, 2 minus 1. So students, what I have done here I have written that is 3 and first I have written 2 and minus 1, that is constant term, and along with that coefficient of y I have written 4 and minus 1. Then next x coefficient we have written, and coefficient of y, that is 4 and not written here, 3 and minus 2 written. Here 1 divided by coefficient of xy, that is 3, 4, 2 minus 1 written. Now simplification. Simplification if we do, if we break, it is minus 3 plus 8, and here it is minus 6 minus 6 and 1 divided by minus 2 minus 8. So we get x by 5, y by minus 12 and 1 by minus 11. Now if we hide this one, then x will be what? 5 by minus 11. Y will be what? Minus 12 by minus 11, that is this. So this is your answer, and yes, that is by process called Cramer's rule. So student, that's why you have to do. Now I will do next sum. That is A3 we are going to do. So these FA2 exam, so this is in the syllabus, so definitely you have to do this one. Now we will do 8-3. 8-3 is they have given 5x1 plus twice x2 is equal to 4. 7x1 plus 3x2 is equal to 5. Now, how to calculate? Already we have done this one. Instead of xy, they have given x1, y1, x1, x2 given. So we will write like that. So coefficient of x1 will replace by 4 and 5, and x2 will replace by 2 and 3. x2 also we can replace 5 and 7, and this one we will replace by 4 and 5. And here we will write only the coefficient of x1 and x2. So 5, 2, 7, 3. I again want to repeat. First, coefficient of x, that is x1, x2 is what? 5, 2, 7, 3 written. In below the x1, we will replace what? This 5, 7. That is coefficient of x1 by 4 and 5. Below of x2, we will write that one. Only we will replace the coefficient of x2. Below x2, coefficient of x2 will replace by this 4, 5. Below x1, we will replace coefficient of x1 by that constant. So, we can write x1 by 12 minus 10, x2 by 25 minus 28, and it is 15 minus 14. So, what we get? X by 2, x1 by 2, x2 by minus 3, and this is 1 by 1, that is 1. So what will be x1? If we do, after hiding this one, 2 into 1 is 2, and x2 is what? Minus 3. So see, this way we can do the value of x1 and x2. Now students, I expect that you will do, try to do, if it is more than one variable, just like the question number 3, suppose question number 4 if it is, then I will just proceed how to do this one. Suppose question number 4 if it is, then it is x plus y minus z is equal to 4. Here written 2x minus y plus 5z is equal to 12, and last thrice x plus 7y minus 12z is equal to 17. So what we will do, we will write x by one determinant, y by another determinant, z by another determinant, and finally 1 by 1 determinant. 1 by the determinant is only the coefficient of xy. So 1, 1 minus 1, 2 minus 1, 5, and this is 3, 7 minus 2. In place of x, you will replace only the coefficient of x, which is 1, 2, 3 by 4, 12, 17. And remaining it will be same. In place of coefficient of y, you will replace similar like that. You will write 1, 2, 3. Only you will replace these things by 4, 12, 17, and remaining the same. There also, if we break, then it is 1, 2, 3, 1 minus 1, 7, and this will be minus 1, 5, minus 2. Now it is time to break all the values, all the determinants. Then it will be 4 inside bracket, that one. How to break, you know. It is 2 minus 35, very big one, and minus 1 by, that is minus 24, minus 85, and minus 1, that is 84 plus 17. So this is below x we will write. Below y we will write like that. How to break this one, we know. It is 24 minus 85 minus 4 inside, 4 minus 15 minus 1, 34 minus 36. It is then z divided by 2 minus 35, that is minus 4 minus 15, then minus 1, it is 14 plus 3. Then it is 2 minus 35 minus 4 minus 15, and finally it is minus 14 plus 3. So what we get after this simplification, we will get total thing. This one can be written as, this is 33 into 4, so it is minus 1. This, here it will be plus this, and here it is minus 101. Y will be what? Minus 59. Here it is minus 11, so it is plus 44, and there it will be minus 2 plus 2. Similarly, for z also, if you do, it is minus 33, then it is plus 19, then it is minus 17. And here it will be minus 33, plus 19, and minus 17. If we do the simplification, that is x, it is what? 233 minus this one, it will be 4, 2, 1. Of course it is minus y divided by 59 minus, it is 3, and it is minus 13, and here it is minus 31. And I found this, how can be same? 4, 12, it is. So ultimately, if we this do 1, and then we can, by simplification, we will get x is equal to 4, y is equal to 70. This is 31, and yes, it is minus 31, and it is okay. Then this divided by this gives 4, y gives 31 by 3, it will be little bit, here it is not this, it is minus 31 only, so it gives 1, and z is also 1. So with that we ended this one. Your homework is, that is 8, 5 is your homework. So students, that much for today, and of course you try to do this one, it is important. Next day we will start new chapter.